Greetings from Kompetiachig after a good morning workout. Siyabonga Mia had a very good interview with Gagas FM right before he was captured by the elements of Brigadier Ginin and all these police that are corrupt, allegedly. Please watch and listen to what he had to say. He exposed a lot of wrongdoings within the SAPS and the NPA. But he spoke to Felix Tope and Jeps. Just watch.
Phakathi edokodweni angikwazi kodwa le docket yenziwa by omunye wamaphoyisa ayikhandlayo nayithandayo eSouth Africa asebenza kanzima ukugcina umthetho la eSouth Africa uMama Buthelezi ube involved kule case from the beginning. I think it was 2015 wenza ama recommendation yokuthi yonke lento enishoyo ayikho asibophena abantu abala endlini base beyamxosha
Waphela umsebenzi
no bamxosha within the case.
Okay.
Yes. So ngithema ngifunda ngestory sakhe in one of the newspapers ngiyakhumbula it was 2015 kwaku ngaqoqa isikhwama sami ngahamba ngaye eGold ngaresign etohweni ngangilibamba trace uMama Buthelezi ngamtracer our first meeting ngiyakhumbula eseGreystone wayesaba ke kuyisebusuku ehamba nomunye mfana wami ngoba le case be close to my heart akumele ngabe ngikhuluma nawe but ngizokusiza ngoba usuhambile wasuka wazofika like eGoli ngizokusiza la ngizokusiza khona but sengikhishiwe ecaleni ngenxa ukuthi ngenza ama recommendation ukuthi abantu ababe sendlini ibona khumbula lo mama uyi-psychologist and unamacala amaningi unama serial killer wabambile ngangicheck iprofile yakhe what ngenza ama recommendation ukuthi abantu ababe sendlini ababoshwe so kwase ngiyakhishwa ecaleni so sibese siza naye noma Buthelezi ngisiza up until ngireceive a call again athi sengifoneliwe la kwathiwa ngibuyele ecaleni.
How?
That's a plus.
Still in 2015?
No, not in 2015. I think it was 2018. 2018.
This is now some 3 years later.
Yes, it's 3 years later. Athi sengifoneliwe kwathiwa ngibuyele ecaleni sekungcono ke. Sekuzokwenzeka kodwa manje inkinga esinayo idocket asinikezwa siyitholi the actual docket yecala.
Okay.
And we have decided ukuthi kumele sizame ngenye indlela because asikwazi uku-investigate icala elingena dokodo because idokodo asilitholi. Then base be initiate le docket mabenza le docket kwase kuba inkinga ke manje ukuthi ubani iadvocate ngoba engathi amaphoyisa mayesebenza kumele kube neadvocate ezofunda idocket bese isayinwe ngoba NPA angiyazi kahle imithetho yakho. Yes. So njengoba yenza njalo mina ngaleso sikhathi bese ngihlangene nobaba wakuthu Chawuki ngicabanga ukuthi sanidlalela lo
director of public prosecutions
director of public was Gauteng.
Yeah.
Director of public prosecution was Gauteng athi istory lesokuthi kwangena abantu angenanga umuntu endlini into ekumele yenziwe la they should arrest everyone kushi head yase Gauteng. So ngimbuza indaba pho ngenziwe ngayithola answer. So now le docket le ibikhona umshushisi owayethi uyayi-initiator eSouth Gauteng ngangiqala ukubona ukuthi iNPA isabe iSAPS ngalendlela le umshushisi esaba ukuthi bazombulala.
Yo imake nakhona uke waxhumana no nehead ye NPA uShamile Batohi ngalolu lidaba lalo dokodo lesibili yini iqukethwe exoxisaneni kwakho naye
ngangifuna ukumbuza ukuthi why engabanikezi oMama Buthelezi umshushisi okuyena kumele abheke le docket ayibheke ukuthi ifeasible ukuthi ingangena enkantolo.
Impendulo wayithola?
Impendulo ngayithola ngathola ukuthi uShamila ngathi akazi lutho.
You weren't happy with impendulo ayikunika zona?
In fact ngamncenga waze wabuyela kumina yena uShamila ngoba esezwa le clip isi-circulator le yomunye wabasebenzi bakhe ukuthi abantu ababesendlini kwaymayibuyela kumina.
So lo mshushisi lo owayesabula bazombulala obani la ayesabula bazombulala?
engathi lana umshushisi wayesabe SAPS. Esabe SAPS nje nomphathi wakhe engathi umphathi wakhe ngaleso sikhathi angazi noma usondelene o ushade nomphathi wabashushisi
Shamila.
Ushawuk. Yes angathi bashadile umphathi ka advocate lo wase South la ikwenza yakhona icala.
Okay, let's take a short break. Go to music. Sigwinya matha bese siyabuya. Ngiyazi nawo nembuzo ngasifonela ku861596 Danili Kagasi FM Dead to Me. It's 8:23. We're discussing the case of Senzo Meyiwa. Currently underway is the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial where there's 5 people that stand accused. And now there's a new docket eveza abanye abayisikhombisa mangazenzi phutha. So sikhuluma njengamanje nesiyabonga Mia, who is Senzo Kazi, was very instrumental and hands-on odabeni lokushushiswa nokuphenywa nalaka sekunqamuka khona ukuphenya uyena futhi wabanesandla ukuthi uqhubeke lokuphenya lokho. So unathi namhlanje uzosichazela nje izimvo zakhe kanye nolwazi lwakhe and also the series of events and the sequence of events ahlanganisa nekuphenywa kwalelicala.
Yes, what I wanted to find out Sia is that last week Advocate Tifo told inkantolo ukuthi leli dokodo elavulwa ngo-2019 li container i-evidence ekhombisa ukuthi uKelly Khumalo owayeyintombi kaSenzo ngaleso sikhathi is the one who shot uSenzo by mistake. Okwakho, having followed this case from the time it happened to manje, okwakho ngale allegation ukuthi umuntu owadubula uSenzo uKelly ukuthini okwakho?
Ekuthenini ubani owadubula uSenzo angeke ngize ngiphawule ngokwamshololo but ngokwasho uTumelo nokwashiwo ubaba wakamakhelwane kumina bathi uyasidubula ubaba wakamakhelwane mayifica umthoko ecashe kwakhe ethi uphuma phweni uthi wathi umthoko uyasidubula ngaphakathi uKelly wayeloke ekhalile ethi kodwa ngizothini ngimakaSenzo kodwa umbulalelani wenzeni.
So ngamanye amazwi leyo nkulumo yakho masiki ngoba ngiyakubona ukuthi you being careful ukuthi ungazi implicate or incriminate but ichaza ukuthi cha again uKelly umunye walabo ababekhona
kodwa nje singabeka kanjani
ngokusola kwakho
ngoba
phela nawo
umunye wayekhona ngangingekho nami.
Okay. So, any argument, Kesia, moving away from who exactly shot Usenzo kokubona kwakho, any argument iti laba about 5 who stand accused at the moment and who are facing the trial are not the right guys. Abahlangene naleli cala. Are you able to give us your opinion about this other side of the argument? What do you feel is a connection yale 5 esenkantolo njengamanje and who are the prime suspects okwamanje and what you feel about the case?
Ngihleze ngisho ngithi iSouth Africa izwe lomthetho. Umthetho ukhona. I believe futhi ukuthi iAssistant yeAfriForum isidlale indima enkulu. The fact ukuthi laba bakhona labe khona kusho ukuthi khona into ebasondeze eduze nalicala ukuthi yini inkantolo izobe siyasiprovela ke lokho ukuthi yini le yenza ukuthi kuze kuthathwe ingane zabantu ifakwe lapha beside iprofile yabo njengalabantu abayibona.
Manje kulaba abawu7 that were in the house abanye bakhona bayabalwa kuleli dokodo esekuphumile ukuthi likhona manje. Have any of them reached out to you to offer any kind of explanation? Ukhuluma ngoTumelo ababekhona abakhona la eKZN. I'm taking ukuthi nanazi as umndeni kaSenzo ukuthi abantu asondelene nabo lapha. Have they offered any explanation to you mhlambe that we don't know of? Mhlambe noma asasichazelanga ukuthi bathini exactly kuwena, but has any connection been made after sekwenzeke lento yenzeka?
Angithi nje cha, but engakusho ukuthi uKelly, uZandi, umawabo baqamba manga kumina before uSenzo angcwatshwe. uTumelo unezinto ayishilo kumina ezamanga. Umthoko seloke kwathi inhlo yabaleka. And enye into eyangisurprise kakhulu nengisayibuza yona ukuthi why uKelly anqabe when ama psychologist esekhona, ama social worker, uyena as a mother nogogo wengane ukuthi ubutheleza interview ingane yakhe ukuthi yes ukuthi ngempela yabonana. But mina as usiyabonga mina, I've tried to reach out uKelly sasikhuluma nje kakhulu.
Interesting le part le baqamba manga imapha manga aqanjwa uma kaKelly siqala
uma kaKelly wangitshela into enga adapt nezinto engihleze ngiyithola. uZandi wangitshela into enga end up nezinto engihleze ngiyithola. uTumelo wangitshela ukuthi bangena dining room manje ngithola okunye. Umthoko namanje usabaleka neqiniso akafuni ukusitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani, yet kamakhelwane engathola enye into ngayo. So yonke information abanginikeze yona doesn't add up.
So what do you think would motivate the Senzo's friends to not come out and tell the truth? Ukuthi umphefumulo wakho waphuma kanjani?
I think one, fear, and two, sometimes we don't know who are our friends
really are.
Yeah. Okay, quickly, because we're wrapping up njengamanje ne. Kuleli cala lesilibona liqala, what outcome are you hoping for? Or because now usekukuningi now investigator unayi idea ukuthi ubani wenza lesenzo. Ngiyababona laba abanye. What outcome are you hoping for?
Ngokuhlangana kwami no Khehla Sithole before aphume noNdosi ngoba ngihlalile nabo phansi saxoxa nabo. Ngangilindela ukuthi bazonima bengena labafowethu enkantolo no Kelly no Tumelo no Longo bangene kanye.
Okay.
That was my expectation from the beginning ukuthi mabengena nje labafowethu no Kelly nabo bayongena bonke kanye for defeating the ends of justice.
So okay, now kulungile. I think I see phothule lapha because omunye ke wathi mina ngalekwa laba abawu7 abasolwa no Chico nawe omunye naye osoleka ukuthi noma engekho endle kodwa noyabandakanyeka. I guess let's do the final bulletins, news, headlines, sports and traffic. We're coming back with the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. We're in studio. We're discussing the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial and all the shenanigans and the goings on behind the scenes that you might not be privy to. But privy to everything is Siyabonga Mia, cousin to Senzo Meyiwa. Very, very involved. Even off mic, we're discussing some intrinsic things that he's been a part of, also as part of the investigation. Now, Sia, we've got Mlu on the line. Before I go to Mlu, I need for you to wrap your head around this next question of mine. So, I'm telling you from a very naive perspective, from just what we consume from the newspapers and television. When this incident occurred, we were then told that the firearm was alleged to have been stolen from Chico by his son. Chico then again came out in the open and said he reported his firearm stolen. Fast forward to now 2021, we're told with the firearm now in question belongs to an assassin, Dubula Ama taxi owners and whatnot. And no, everyone has now forgotten about that line of
went wrong with Siyabonga Mia, I wonder. Last year he did some interview with Sangoma where he was singing a different tune. But abaziyo bathi money is the root of all evil. But again, I'm not saying that, I'm saying abanye basho njalo. Before I continue with the video kaMeyiwa, please remember that the case resumes today and Untanzi will be on the stand, and it's going to be the turn of Advocate Baloyi. He's going to be cross-examining him. I'm sure he's going to put him in the stand for the next 10 days or so, because we know Baloyi's trick. He always put the witness on the stand for days and days so that the witness can crack when he's tired and then concede to all sort of nonsense that will be spoken by him. But I trust Bwantanzi will remain composed and continue to tell the truth, because we know that before he made those confessions, he was tortured. So Tanzi is innocent after all. But let's watch and hear what Siyabonga Miya had to say to Felix Hlophe.
Chico by his son. Chico then again came out in the open and said he reported his firearm stolen. Fast forward to now 2021, we're told with the firearm now in question belongs to an assassin, taxi owners and whatnot. And no, everyone has now forgotten about that line of investigation that involves the missing pistol, Chico, which is a revolver. And now the ballistics have proven that it's a revolver that took Senzo's life. Inkabile and the casings is a magazine-loaded pistol. I'm so confused. But first, let's hear from Mlu. Hi, Mlu.
Ninjani Felix.
Saphila njani mfuthu wami?
Sikhona ngibingelele na lapha eSoweto nomfowethu Siyabonga. No, ngifuna ukusheshisa nje mina Felix. Ngifuna uqale ngibonge nje umfowethu ngesibindi anaso. Ngiyacabanga nobaba uMeyiwa le khona kaDosenzo ishayisuba ngayo ukuthi noma engasekho kodwa uyazama ukulwa lolu bulungisa. Umbuzo wami oqala ukuthi walele ecala kubonakala ukuthi linabantu abakhulu abavikelwayo. Isafety yakhe injani? Ngabe uhulumeni khona lasemsize ngabo noma ngayikhona isafety yakhe izamele ngibonakala ukuthi kukuningi okufihliwe la. Yabo? Okugcina iloko ukuthi ngisekhona umfowethu ngifuna ngiphendule ukuthi ukube kuya ngayo ngisho kusesebevelileka abantu okuyona abapolitics ukuthi kudlule emhlabeni uSenzo Meyiwa. Yena ukube kuya ngayo obani abanye abantu abaphezulu kade bezama ukugqiba lento nabengafisa nawo mhlambe nomthetho udlala indima yabo kubona ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi kukhulu okufihliwe kodwa isiZulu siyasho sithi akukho okufihlelo ngawo. Lapho isonga ngingenile ngakhuluma ngokuthi into ebalekile la abantu ababekhona endeni but kuyavela manje ukuthi abantu abaziqinisa abantu ababesidina kumele umthetho usiqine kakhulu isandla kubona izwe lizokwazi ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani.
All right, thank you for your call Mlu. Uzolalela radio nike na?
Thank you.
Shabafo. Do you have any light to shed for Mlu? Qale wabuza ngesafety yakho ukuthi njengoba usuphenyanga kulicala njengoba involved ngalendlela and you want to see it through. Isafety yakho, is it guaranteed now?
Mlu, I will not worry about my safety, but one thing engayikhuluma ngesafety, why I'm not worrying about his safety, I mean ukuthi uSenzo igazi lami at some stage ezongcwatshwa kwakungathi ngashona mina, because uSenzo was more important to the republic than me at the time. But ngicela ukuthi bafethu sithandazele isafety ngamama uButhelezi, uMakhubo, advocate Mshololo nabo bonke labantu laba abadinga ukuphepha more than mina njengamanje, because mina noma ungangenzani manje I'm done. The case is enkantolo. You understand? All I was hoping for and praying for ukuthi case is enkantolo. So, and even my son is proud of me. Yeah, Baba, finally we're going to find justice. And I was doing this for my younger son who always asked me, Baba, bazoboshwa nini abantu ababulala ubaba omncane. That's why I was doing this. We understand. So we can only pray for his safety ama witnesses asazongena nabafowethu laba abasize umndeni wabaMeyiwa ukuthi le case besenkantolo ababesaba phambi kwami. I remember sise Boksburg emzini ka advocate Nzuke lo kwakumele asayinele for this docket. Emfethu kangiqala mina ngibona iadvocate saba kanje egcwele inyembezi I think wayesedemotiwe ne promotion eyitholile demotwa u-DPP yase Southern Gauteng ngoba angazi linked nobani oyishade nobani. So it was embarrassing mfethu ukubona amaphoyisa nama advocates esaba ama colleagues abo.
So Mlu's follow-up question ke I think is linked to lapho yakhona ukuthi do you feel ukuthi over and above laba ababalwa in docket 1 and in docket 2 are there any other people also ukuthi bangaba involved higher up, because at some point ke kwabalindaba yokusolwa ama drug involvement abantu basebholeni ikhulu zakhona noma ungasawabalanga amagama abantu, but do you believe ukuthi there are higher people that are involved in this case?
I'm a patriot. Anyone who messes with my country deserves to rot behind bars. Anyone, if ever we have to die for that. I'm sorry, that's what Oliver Tambo taught us.
So now I guess we like indaba yespam lesesa lahleka sa Chico wathi usireportile engathi sitholakalela indaba engasekho indaba yaso wasikhuluma ngespam senkabi lenkabi le engakaze ikhonjwe umuntu futhi
mfethu angeke ngikhulume kakhulu ngespam sababuthwala noma kakheli bahluka into esimple ukuthi basondele bahlale phansi nomndeni wakameyiwa ukuthi izingane esezonile yobe senza njani to move forward. So njengamanje njobe icase senkantolo uzolethwa wonke ama experts singakukhohlwa lokho abantu bangamanipulate umthetho South Africa, but South Africa is a country of law. They are going to prove what type of firearm that was used there and iqhamukapi. I'm happy ngoba manje ama side womabili lawade investigator le case kumele ehlanganile enkantolo. We understand, that's what I'm happy about. Njoba kuza le docket yilama team lawade silwela ukuthi awahlangana engafuni ukuhlangana. So I judge is forced now ngoba icala elilodwa leli kumele bomabili ama team aye laphana ayosiprovela le question ebuzayo.
I think that let's wrap it up. Last one, Jeff.
Yeah, I think another thing is he interested in kakhulu as the KZN public or the South African public at large is the well-being of umndeni. We understand ukuthi icase efana nalena obviously will take strain on the family. We've seen different sides of the family emerge to speak on what they believe happened. Leli cala as umndeni linenzeni nisabumbene as a family noma sekukhona ama cracks ngenxa yokuthi khona uhlangothi olukholelwa loku khona uhlangothi that believes in something else? As a family ninjani?
Again angikhulumela umndeni kodwa kubhlungu uma wami lwana udadewabo ma
sure
ingane yagogo wami kubhlungu kumina mase ngibone ekhala angangakubona lokho every day angikwazi ukulala because uma wami lwana uma nami mayisekhala ekhaya, but as umndeni we work as one. There is always ungaboni ngasolinye, but into eyodwa siyifunayo usenzo beku umfowethu. Mina usifiso ungabona ngathi azizwani, but such as njengoba usibona namanje sela uzoyibona ufana noba.
Love to see it.
Okay, no asibambe kanjalo the incompetence surrounding a first response in Jeps that led to the contamination of the scene and the things that the officer should have done that he didn't do, and now it's been exposed that he actually was not the right qualified person to be the respondent in that in that first instance. So now it raises so many questions in terms of the type of firearm, whose firearm it was, if indeed the shell casing that was found, if it was there or placed there, you know. in an effort to maybe sway it or the narrative to it fitting the five that stand accused as we speak. I don't know. These are just the things that we talk about at local watering holes, behind closed doors, in our lounges, in the streets, in corners and corridors, because we don't know what happened. But thank you so much for shedding light in this regard. Ungapheli moya mfowethu. uNkulunkulu akupha amandla aphindiwe ukuthi nala xika khona uphinde ukwazi ukuthi ufake isandla ubanxenxe nofakazi uma sebe enqinda ke inyawo sebe saba sebengenwa amanzi emadolweni ukuthi bavela ngaphambili.
Angibonge kakhulu.
Police officer, remember I'm a member of SAPS. I know the ins and outs of SAPS. I know what they are allowed to do and what they are not allowed to do. And that they did to me. They did to me one of their own. So I'm telling people every day. I say in Tansi, Sibia, whoever didn't have a chance against Gininda and his team. If they could do that to me, they didn't have a chance. If they told them, you did it and you will sign this confession, they did it. If they say they were tortured, I believe they were tortured. I believe they were tortured to sign those confessions, because if they could, they would also have tortured me. But they didn't have that opportunity to torture me. You understand? So,
Yeah.
those people who are talking and say these people made voluntary confession, there's no such. There's no such. The police don't have rules. They don't have. That's why Gininda is sitting in court today. Never ever have been followed official rules. Now he must account, and then you will say no, but it's not supposed to be like that. Warning statement is a warning statement. When you interview someone, whether that person is arrested or not, that you have to fill in the warning statement. I heard him talking about the show. I called another general who was also part of the top management. I said, you know what, General? I remember one time you told me about this unlawful shorter version that they made for themselves at a police station because of some lazy detectives, because they don't want to complete the entire form. Now they take certain pages and they make it. They make copies of it and they interview you with those ones. Those ones are not official. They are not official. The official one is the one that Mnizi was holding there. So what I can say today, I'm not going to leave it like that. They plan to destroy my life. Even with these interdicts that they obtained against me, I know that the National Commissioner told all his deputies they must obtain harassment orders and interdicts against me because I'm exposing them. But the same National Commissioner is the one who gave me information. He is the one who I've been communicating with. He is the one who actually wanted to investigate the same deputy harassment orders and interdicts against me. I don't mind to go to court. My lawyers are. We are more than ready to go to court, because always, you know, the stupid part of these people, when I communicate with them, I'm always make sure there's a paper trail somewhere. General Masimula, we communicated on WhatsApp, and we communicated through a third person, because he told me he is afraid of Becky Taylor. That's what he told me. He said Becky Taylor wanted to appoint Lieutenant General Musikidi as the National Commissioner. And Becky Taylor and Lieutenant General Musikidi are up and down. They went to China together. They went wherever they are together. He's on the sideline. And he told me that he's not even working in his office because his office is bugged. He's not even using his own email address because his phone is bugged. And he asked me, they say, let's communicate through this third person. And that's how we communicated. General Masimula wanted to do a project to get rid of all his deputies. He said that General Libya and General and Tele are very close, and Libya is investigating him. He even went as far as going to Professor Merida Haas, and he said, Professor Merida Haas must talk to me so that we can protect him. from Cele. And Professor Merida has even made a joke and say, you know what? They are both devils, but currently he's the better devil. Currently he's the better devil. So we better side with a better devil than to side with Cele. And you know what? We protected Masemola. We protected Masemola. Masemola is no saint. We have a lot of things against him. He's not